Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to construct a contingency table and a stock column chart using R. On the screen you see a data set from an online retailer. This online retailer recently sent emails to customers that included a promotional discount. The retailer wonders whether there is any relationship between a customer's location in the US, Midwest, Northeast, South or West, and whether the customer made a purchase with the discount. And purchase column has two values, yes or no. First, we are going to import the promotion data into a data frame and label it my data. So we have an open R script here. But before you import the data, make sure you select your working directory. Choose directory, and it's for me R videos folder, and open. And to import data, we type first my data is equal to read.csv in the parentheses quotation mark promotion .csv, and then control enter. Now we have data here under environments pane. We have 600 observations and 3 variables. In order to create a contingency table labeled as my table, we use the table function and specify the row and column variables. So my table is equal to table function, and the rows are going to be the purchase. So we select from my data frame purchase column. For columns, I want location, my data, and location column, and then control enter. So under values you can be able to see my table under environments pane. In order to view the table, you can type here my table and then control enter. As you see on the console pane, you have a table, number of no's and yes in different locations are listed on this table. If we use the prop.table function, then R returns cell proportions and converted them to percentages. So we are going to type here prop.table and then in the parentheses my table and control enter. Again, on the console you can see now the percentages of purchases in each locations. To create a stack column chart, we need first to create a contingency table with the purchase variable in the rows and the location variable in the columns. So I'm going to create here a new table. My new table is equal to table, and the row column is going to be purchase, my data, select purchase, and for columns I want location, my data, select location, and then control enter. We use the bar plot function to construct a column chart. When constructing a bar chart and a histogram, R offers a number of options for formatting. Here we use main to add a title, call to define colors for the segments of the columns, legend to create a legend, xlab and ylab to provide labels for the x-axis and y-axis, and ylim to extend the vertical axis units from 0 to 200. So let's start bar plot and open parentheses, my new table, comma, main is the title of this plot, location and purchase, and then comma, for color call, and we are going to choose in vector because we are choosing more than one color, blue, comma, red, and then comma, legend is equal to row names of my new table, and then comma, xlab is equal to location, and then comma, ylab is equal to count, and comma, and then ylim is equal to 0 to 200, and close the parentheses, control enter. So you can see the stack column chart under plots pane. Let's summarize the results. Recipients residing in the South and West were a lot more likely to make a purchase. When you look at the stack column chart, you can see that the red area is much bigger than the blue area compared to other bars. Based on these results, it would be wise for the retailer to examine if there are other traits that the customers in the South and West share, like age, gender. That way, in the next marketing campaign, the emails can be even more targeted. So this is how we construct a stack column chart using R. Thank you for watching.